want to swim. Wait. Okay. Oh.
This is the Villa.
This is the new air conditioner.
And
Asam card. Butang Mario. Yes, your papa.
sa mini pool.
And there's an air con because it's so cold. I don't care. They can turn on their lights. Here.
Yeah,
No light.
good for relaxing.
Papa, oh, that's the card. And we're gonna turn on the light.
Yeah. Mini pool. Hi, Marius. Say hi.
This is the pool we can swim. You wait.
Yeah, we can swim.
Okay, I'm gonna
It's for
swim.
kids.
I'm gonna swim. Okay. Can I swim?
Yeah, you can swim. Wait, let's prepare. Just show our viewers the J Park
Yeah, do you want
Villa.
before? I don't promise I can. I promise I
Here's
can.
the room. The king size bed. Oh, there's my boy. Jumping on the bed.
We have another room.
Here's the view from outside. The entrance of the villa. Here. We have another villa here available. And dito sa unahan marami din. So there's the big pool. Ayan siya. Ayan, tahimik, walang tao. Okay, ito yung ibang villa. So, pasok na ako. There you go.